like it better than your Harley?
No. For some things. So are you going to come with me to Nick's?
What's that?
Are you going to come with me to the shop?
I'm not in slippers and sweatpants. Just
Okay.
figured I'd go straight home. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Don't get my bike dirty.
Don't get your bike dirty. Maybe don't buy a white motorcycle.
Yeah, right.
She told me not to get it dirty. Riding in the mud. Oh. Haven't ridden this bike enough to really be used to it yet. It's a totally different animal than the Sportster. Can't get used to having my feet behind me. So anyway, we just picked the bike up from her friend Jonathan's, who kept it for us for the winter. He's the guy we bought it from, and he just let us know that the chain seemed really loose on it. So we're going to take it to, or I'm going to take it to our other friend Nick's, and he's going to take care of that for us. Got a shop here in Sarnia called DMW Motorcycles, and he actually knows this bike pretty well, so although even if that wasn't the case, he'd be the guy I'd be taking it to. Just hope I can find him, because I really don't know where I am right now. God, this thing's loud. I like riding this bike once in a while. I like getting out on an open road and really opening it up. It's fast as hell. But it's not a comfortable bike for me. It's so loud. Oh my God. I think I'm going the right way. Hey, you want me to bring it around back here?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, all right. Sure. How's it going?
Loose chain on it?
What's that?
You got a loose chain?
Yeah, I guess Jonathan said it sounded or felt pretty loose, so. This is nice.
Cool, that's right. You like it better than your Harley?
No.
You like your Harley?
For some things. You keeping busy here?
Oh, I'm flat out, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Flat out. Yeah, so much fucking work to do. Just
Yeah.
won't fun.
When you start racing again?
4 months. Been playing with Yamaha R1. Just right. Pain in my ass.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm alright. Nice.
What's going on, Goober?
How much about you, Nick?
Oh, you know, this.
Tinkering?
Tinkering. Yeah. What are you up to? Out for a ride?
First ride, yep.
First ride?
Yeah.
Oh, you fucking
Too busy
bastard.
working, man. Actually like that bike.
Loves it.
Does he? Yeah.
You good to go now?
All right.
Yep.
You ready for that? Sure. I mean, something like that.
Yeah, well, if you want to drop it off on the way to work, I'll run you down to work,
All right.
right? And then pick you up when you're done, or pick you up at lunch or whatever.
All right. Cool.
You know?
Some nights I won't be done till midnight.
Well, I mean, I didn't get out of here until like 1:30 this morning.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That was an early night.
Yeah.
I thought, well, Saturday night I'll go fucking paint the town red.
All right, man. Thanks a lot.
No worries,
See
mate.
you soon.
Yeah, enjoy.
I will.
Okay.
Yeah, Nick is an awesome guy. Anybody who's ever in southwestern Ontario area needs some work done on your bike, check out DMW Motorcycles. Well, I'll put his phone number and stuff down in the description. I first met Nick last year. He opened up the shop. I went and stopped in one day. And I was out for a ride and just talked to him for a bit. Grabbed some of his cards. I noticed on the back of his card he had he offers emergency roadside assistance. And he says, you know, like anywhere in southwestern Ontario, if your bike breaks down, he'll go out and pick you up, bring you back, fix up your bike, which is pretty cool. So then a few months after that, I guess, I was out riding. And I somehow picked up a 2-inch deck screw in my rear tire. It just shredded the tube. So I was a ways away from home and had a flat tire. It was on a Sunday. Everything was closed. So I pulled Nick's card out of my pocket and I looked at that and I thought, well, it's probably not going to do it on a Sunday, first of all. It probably cost a fortune to get him to come all the way out here and pick me up. But I didn't have any other options, so I called him. And he said, yeah, I'll be right out there. And he was. He came out because he drove his truck from Sarnia to Petrolia to pick me up. And the bike. He got the bike in the back of his truck. He drove me home to Watford. And then took the bike back to his shop in Sarnia. So that was probably, probably an hour just drive time there. And what he charged me for the whole thing to pick me up, drive me home, and repair the tire. I'm thinking he probably spent more on gas than I paid him for all of that. He races bikes too. I didn't get out to see him last year, but I'm going to try and get out to a couple of races this year and watch him. He actually doesn't ride on the street. It's probably smart. I'm coming up to a spot where I think I might be safe opening this thing up a little bit. So I will end this video with that. See you guys next time.